Like I said, welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time here, what do you need to do?
You need to subscribe.
And if you've been here before, welcome back.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Hey, welcome back. Hey, welcome back.
Bring it on back. Bring it.
No, seriously, welcome back to our channel.
You know, it's always a fun time hanging out, dancing, doing the most, singing.
Yes.
You name it, we doing it.
This is us without the cameras, though, seriously, on a regular basis.
Except a little bit wilder, like, you know, we try to keep it PG-13 toned down.
Yeah, I don't know. Actually, we try to keep it rated E for everyone.
Yeah.
We got it. Anyway, guys.
Shaking this shit, I'm sorry.
I know. Look, Shannon's shaking the table. If you know where that's from, please drop it in the comments below. If you know where that's from. Shaking the table.
Yeah, I can't.
I'm really dying though. No, but seriously, we're here, guys, because we wanted to give you guys a review
on the
It's My Ray Ray
makeup palette.
Yes, we were finally able to get our hands on this bad boy. Like, seriously,
it's been sold out like
everywhere. And congrats to
seriously,
Ray Ray.
Big congrats, because listen, I'm trying to get on my level.
Factory, you know what I mean? Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna get into this review. We kind of already prepped our face because we just wanted to. We were
dive straight in, like
we ain't wasting no time.
We wanted to give you these looks. Period.
Yeah. But just so you know, her palette comes with
eyeshadow.
Yes.
Highlight and contour.
So you got a full,
like, everything you really need. The only other thing you would really need is your foundation and your
setting spray and lashes.
Oh yeah.
But you know what the headbanger is? You know where she won at?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
The mirror.
Right there.
You got
Exhibit A.
Everything. You could just travel with. You could throw.
You remember our other contour palette that we were talking about? We was like, they're missing a mirror. Like,
yeah, she has it
here. Yeah. If you remember it, like,
this has no
mirror inside, and it has the space for it.
No mirror.
But
so it's just like, it's annoying.
She killed it, and the rose gold, and the print on it, and these funny names. I'm sorry. Like, I love them. They're so cute. I
really do. Like Spice, Angel.
Time out though. She got Tiffany on there. That's my alter ego. It is though. It is though.
I mean, I don't know. My alter ego for, I guess, for this would be nudist, because I don't like wearing clothes. Well, when I'm in the house. When I'm in the house, like, I like to be. I like.
When she out.
You're a creep. Don't listen to Shannon. Anyway, no, yeah, I like nudist. So, or I guess you could say Spice. Actually,
I like Spice.
Actually, I like Black Beauty. Actually, I like Control Freak.
She about to go from A, B, C, and D.
No, I like Control Freak, because I am a control freak.
That pancake. Shout out to Ash. Every time I hear pancakes now, I think of Ashley.
I want pancakes. No, but anyway, we're gonna jump into this makeup, so stay tuned and we will be right back at it. So we're just gonna jump right in and we're gonna do the contour right now. So she has 3 colors. She has a color Cha, which is too light for the both of us, and then Mocha, which is like Shannon's complexion.
I think I might use a little bit of the brownie bite. Look, that's shit money. Yo, no, because
this brownie bite is dark. Like, the color is really dark, but we're gonna see how it goes.
The mocha, like, that looks like my color though. That's why I'm shook. No,
I think you should try. I'm
gonna try mocha, but then I'm gonna build it in a little bit.
So I'm going in with brownie bite, and I'm not using the makeup brushes from her collection. I'm just using my own makeup brush. Yeah. So I'm shook.
That's suspicious. His big one.
Because I'm just trying to be right with it. Look at that.
How do you feel?
That looks ashy. Look at that. That looks just like somebody did. I did.
Oh, no. Ness does not play when it comes to her makeup. I'm not gonna lie to you guys.
It looks super. I know y'all can see that. Look how dark that looks.
And you know what? I'm not gonna lie. The mocha actually sits down good on my face.
I'm gonna try mocha.
I'm mocha.
I don't like mocha either. You can't even see mocha. If you watch the previous video, you know what I'm about to do. So
that's just notorious for grabbing our own stuff.
For the sake of this video, no, seriously, both colors are way too dark. Like, I mean, well, the mocha is basically my skin color, and Brownie Bite is literally ashy. Like this is
it's just a dark line on
it's just it looks like somebody just slapped me with you know when they used to slap people with chalkboard, like with the chalkboard eraser in school? That's what my face looks like right now.
What school you go to?
I'm talking about my grammar school.
Oh.
When you was young, you used to wipe the board off and then just smack somebody with the chalk. I guess that was just my school. Anyway, it's too dark. So, like I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance. You hear me? Black Radiance. I'm Sean. Listen, Black Radiance Contour Kit. I didn't get to her eyeshadows yet, so I'm not knocking the whole palette. But right now, the contours is just not working for me.
I'm gonna go ahead and keep going in with this mocha.
Must be nice. She got it right for the light skinned girls.
Oh, that shit.
Yes, grab a palm tree. She got it right for the light skinned girls.
So we're gonna jump into the eyeshadows.
We got jumping into the eyeshadows.
Which ones are you gonna use?
I'm using passion fruit. No.
Passion?
Oh, honestly, now I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone on the eyeshadows because I really like these. So I'm gonna go in. You know, I'm gonna use 3 colors. I'm gonna upgrade from 2 to 3. So I am using Black Beauty, Passion, and Spice. So that's my little concoction right there.
No, she really is jumping out like her comfort zone. That's crazy. Cause
don't gas me up because I'll renege. Don't gas me up because I'll renege. I'll be like, wait a minute, I'm just gonna do 2.
She gonna be like pancake and mousse.
That's it. Neutral. Keep it neutral.
I'm gonna go in. I'm actually gonna change. I'm gonna do Sunset, Friday, and Passion. Try to keep it.
That sounds like a drink.
Don't say them, because I'll make it up.
Sunset, Friday,
and then
Passion
we can make our own drink palette.
Factory. Stay tuned.
Starting off with right now.
Actually, I'm switching up, guys.
Look.
I'm still gonna use 3 colors, so I'm starting off with Midnight.
It was 4. You're supposed to use 4.
3. I'm starting off with Midnight, and I'm just gonna use that in my crease.
I'm gonna go in with Sunset for my crease area.
Okay.
Very light, very light. Let me grab a good brush.
This is actually super pigmented.
Really?
Look,
oh yes.
It's mad dark.
Shout out to you.
I'll be blending for a minute.
Yeah. Ooh. Wait a minute.
I really, honestly, guys, I really don't do eyeshadow like that. I really try to keep it like simple. And I am not a makeup artist. I just be doing what I feel like doing.
Yeah, I'm not gonna hold y'all.
Like whatever, if I feel like getting crazy one day, then I'll get crazy. But
Sunset is very beautiful. I like it a lot. You don't need a lot, honestly. I feel like this palette will last me for a minute.
That actually looks mad nice.
Right?
So I might switch my color again. So on my lid, I'm gonna go in with Passion. And I kind of got... This is nice. First of all, this don't even look like what it looks like in the palette.
Yeah, no, seriously. Wait, that's the one I was using, right? Yeah, no. I'm gonna go with Passion on my lid too. Oh. Or should I go with Tiffany? You want me to go with
She copying y'all.
I said Passion.
That's not what the script say.
But you changed yours.
I mean, this no, I'm not even gonna say her lie. This color is really nice.
I'm gonna take Friday and just blend it.
Can you guys see that? Like
this Friday though? Okay.
I really like this. I might have to drag this down on like the bottom, my lower lash line.
I'm really liking this, guys.
Let me see. That's nice, but I think you need more color.
I know. I'm trying to be very light with it. I still like to be. Well, I'm going to do my lid, and then I'll probably push everything together after that. So I'm going to take this Passion.
Push everything together.
Push. Alright, let's see this Passion. I don't know. I'm still torn. Should I do Tiffany?
Shannon, what I know is you better figure something out.
That's me done with her makeup and I'm still moving. I'm gonna use Tiffany instead. Let's try Tiffany since Ness did Passion. I want to give you guys variety.
So I'm gonna go back in with Spice, and I'm just gonna put that on.
Tiffany is more my speed.
I don't know if I like the way that looks. I'm actually going with Midnight, and I'm gonna put that on my lower. I'm like trying to smoke it out. I really don't know what I'm doing.
So I put Tiffany on my lid, and I'm liking the way it's coming together, but I'm gonna put a little bit more Friday out in the corners, in the outer corner, and then put a little bit more Sunset on top.
So we're gonna take a small commercial break, and we'll be right back when we're done with this. So we have returned, and we are back.
We have our eyeliner on
and our lashes.
and we looking
honestly, this eyeshadow is, now her numbers, I'll give it a 7.7 now we gotta, because I haven't tried the highlight yet. Let me try everything first, then I'll give the final.
I'm already damn near at 10. Like, that's serious.
Like I said, this makeup kit is light skin friendly. No, I'm joking.
I really do like this, honestly. The eyeshadow, like,
it looks good.
For me, not having to use a lot of it, that's what really.
No, it looks nice. I'm not gassing.
Yours does too. I like the two colors that you blended together. Seriously.
Anyway,
you know what?
Hi. So right now we're gonna get into the highlighter. That's my favorite part. Okay, Professor Ogilvy. No, seriously, highlighter is my favorite part. So
it really is. It's hers. I'm so light-handed with mine. So
I'm heavy.
All right, what you gonna go in with?
I'm using French toast because you know I love French toast.
She really does though.
Like in real, like seriously, I love French toast. So I'm going in with French toast. But honestly, Radiant, which is such a cute name.
It is, and I'm so souped that she did that because like you gotta put yourself in there somehow, and I feel like she hit it on the nose.
Radiant is cute.
You know I was gonna use Radiant,
but I'm probably gonna use that too. So
yeah, Nat's using everything. Let me see. I actually like that French toast on you.
This crazy thing about it, it does look like French toast. Like it's giving me like French toast with the powdered sugar.
Let's go in with this Radiant.
Ooh.
Did I switch sides on myself?
First of all, I like this. This might be coming home with me.
So I went in with the Radiant, and I didn't even have to use a lot. And you see that streak already.
Wow. Light skin friendly.
Yo, I can't stand this. This is everything. I'm sorry. This is everything.
Well, I mean,
I like French toast.
Look, I like French toast.
I do.
Well, I'm gonna take some of Radiant and I'm gonna put that on the.
Look at that. Look at that. You liking it? I'm gonna rub a little bit on my nose and bring it up a little bit. Amazing order.
Wow.
Yes. Oh my God. It just ties everything together. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Look at this.
I know.
Honestly, that's a little bit too much, but I don't even care.
You win. Literally, honestly, I have to give it a 10. I saw it. I love it. I've loved, like, literally, because eyeshadow is a big deal for me because I don't go outside of my box. But for this, for my first time trying it, it tied together so nicely. Like, I feel like I probably could have threw a couple of different colors in there and been like, here we go. Here we go.
So what's the scenario? I'm gonna sit up, you know.
Alright. We'll be back
in a second with the full shebang. You know, we gotta throw the wigs on.
On deck.
We gotta put the hat on. That's my thinking cap. Keep it G. I can't think without my wig.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie to you. Sometimes my wig really does like determine my outfit. My
everything.
I be like, dang.
That's what I'm gonna come back and let y'all know how I really feel. Oh, tell me how you really feel. Tell me how you really feel.
We're back. How you feeling about this makeup?
I'm gonna give her an 8.5. I'm gonna give her 8.5.
But you look mad pretty, like she did that. I mean, you did that.
Half of that is because it's me. This is my face. But I'm gonna give her an 8.5. Honestly, I can't give her a 10 because the contour was not working in my favor. So if it would have worked in my favor, that would have brought my whole look together. But I really like the eyeshadows. They are very pigmented.
My gosh, yes.
The colors are dope. You know, I tried something different.
The names of the colors are even doper. Like,
yeah.
You really did your thing. Y'all know I gave her a 10 before I even slapped this wig on. So.
And then the highlighter for me, that was really good. No, seriously, the names of it were super cute. But definitely Radiant and French Toast. Those are fire. So it's a keeper, girl. No, but seriously, I'm proud of you. We gotta root for our sisters, for our homegirls.
Congratulations on all your success. Because the fact that this bad boy was sold out right away
says a lot.
Hard.
Yeah, it made it hard, and it says a lot. Thanks for tuning in.
Catch us next week.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed this video.
And
don't forget to like,
subscribe,
and follow us.
Yes.
On Instagram.
And comment below.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching.
Yes, thank you.
We hope you tune in with us next week.
We're going to be giving you some more wig reviews.
Wait, hold on. You got a eyelash like on your... Alright, we're done. Alright.
And we're going to be giving you some more wig reviews.
Yes, because you guys have been asking. So we're going to give you some wig reviews for the summer. So to keep you cute for your little events. So we will see you next week.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
You're not even going to tell me which one it is? You see how messed up that is? Because she's going to broccoli.
Y'all hear something?